Room 5363. Room 5363. From the door, if you go just to your right, here's the closet and double doors. There's hanging. We got hangers on the sides. There's the safe. These trays slide out. In the very bottom, you've got some place that this slides out too. Great place for shoes. There's a little hanger on the door, on each door. And the second double door, open that up. This is where we stored our stuff earlier. And there's some shelves on the bottom. And there's that. As we move on into the room, you look to your left. There's a little nightstand shelf. There's these that pop out, little reading lights that you can articulate and move around. They come on, and if you look, there's a USB port. You can control all the lights from the center of the bed. At the end of the bed, you've got a TV. There's a sofa. If you look, you have the same nightstand and light configuration there. The sofa goes on over, and you have a light. This has the reading light, but it does not have a USB port. Let's turn around here, and there's the mirror. It's a backlit mirror, or lit around it. We got the drinks that we pre-ordered. Power solutions are 2 USB, 3 110, and 2 more USB, standard USB. There are a couple of shelves, the pay for me type water. If you look down here, there's the little cooler. It will keep drinks cool. It doesn't get super cold, but it keeps drink cool. Top drawer has got things for laundry. Here's the hair dryer, and then your bottom drawer. This little seat here, and give you a couple towels. And this little seat has got a little storage in it, but you can pull it out and sit on it. Let's go back up here to the front. We'll catch the other side. So there's the thermostat. You have to have a key card in here, and then thing to control the lights. So let's go look at the bathroom. So as we enter the bathroom, it's your typical bathroom. I've noticed on the Excel class ships, the bathroom is a little bit smaller. It seems a little bit more confined. So there's the toilet. There are a couple of shelves, your back mirror, little sink, and these have a glass door that swings out and back, so it's kind of a neat door here. If you look in, there is body wash and shampoo, your controls, little shelf, there's the sprayer, and then up here there's the clothesline that goes across that attachment. So let's move back out. I got one last thing to show you. So if we go back out here and move on back, this room is a cove balcony. So let's go take a look at this. Oop, they got the chair in the way. There we go. It's a small balcony. And this is the difference. With the cove balcony, it's a little more enclosed. And I'll give you a better look at this once we're out in the ocean. You're a little closer to the water. So if you really like being close to the water, kind of get a better look back here. That's it. A couple chairs and a table. So if you like being close to the water, get you a cove balcony. And I'll show you this too. You see they got the door here. This right here will seal that if you ever have rough seas and stuff. Because you are close, they can seal this off really. So that's a tour of room 5363 on the Carnival Celebration.